how long will it take these positive changes maybe to filter down to some customers' monthly utility bills? Because again, a lot of laundry owners are out there struggling still big time. So how long does that take, and why does that take so long?
So it's kind of twofold. The customers that are buying through a third party supplier will see those costs, the next month. So that's a good thing for them. Like I said earlier, the utilities, they usually lag a couple of months behind. And the reason for that is utility companies traditionally hedge a lot more than a supplier would. And the reason for that is the security, right? And we'll talk about that a little bit later, I think, as it pertains to our owners. So the utility costs usually lag. And another reason that utility costs lag is because they don't always change their price every month. You have some utilities that do change their price every month, and then you have some utilities that will wait 6 months to change their price. And I always tell this to customers because I get the question a lot. Utilities basically are passing through all their costs of doing business. They don't make money off the sale of the commodity itself. They make the money off the distribution, which, as many of us know, and some of us don't know because they don't understand how it works, you still pay distribution to your utility when you're buying from a third-party supplier or a retail electric provider. So the utility is still getting their money no matter which way you slice it.